Hello and nice to see you today. My name's Janine. We're going to be helping you manage your anxiety today. We're going to be doing some tapping, what's called emotional freedom technique, and this is scientifically proven to let go of those feelings of anxiety. It's a practical technique that you can use. We can have a practice today, and it's something that you can go away and use for yourself. If you do need to ask any questions, obviously you can get in touch. But for the moment, I just want you to notice how that anxiety feels. Is that something that you notice a lot? Is it around a lot? Do you maybe feel that somewhere in your body? Quite often when we feel anxiety, we feel it in our feeling centres, in our chest or our stomach. So just notice where you feel that anxiety generally. Notice how long it's been around. Do you feel it regularly? And I want you just to give that a number. Just really get into that feeling for a moment. On a scale of 0 to 10, 10 being really strong and 0 being no strength at all. And just notice where that anxiety is, and just the first number that comes to mind. And just get into that feeling for a moment, because we're gonna start tapping, we're gonna have a go. All you need to do is follow along with me. And yeah, just see how you get on in this short video. We can just help you relieve those feelings of anxiety. Okay, so taking care of your own well-being, if you'd just like to follow along with me. Okay, so even though I've got all this anxiety and I can feel it in my body, and I've just been feeling anxious for such a long time, I just want to be open to letting go of that anxiety today. I don't want to hold on to this anxiety. Instead, I just want to let some of it go. And I want to feel more calm and relaxed. And this anxiety just plays havoc. And I can feel it somewhere in my body. But I just want to be able to let some of those feelings go today. Instead, I want to feel more in control. I want to feel more calm and relaxed. And I just want to be able to let go now. But even though I've been feeling all this anxiety, and it comes and goes, sometimes it's really strong, I just want to be able to let some of that go today. And I just want to be open to this weird tapping thing and see if it works for me. Just letting go some of this anxiety. Instead, I want to feel more calm, relaxed and in control. Just being able to let some of this anxiety go now. And instead, I choose to accept me now anyway, even with this anxiety. And what if I could just choose to accept anyone else that might be involved, just for the moment, to help me let go. Okay, so I'm just going to go on the tapping points so I can feel all this anxiety. And sometimes it feels really strong. I just can't seem to let go of this anxiety. And it comes and goes. And it's been around for a long time. But I just want to let some of this anxiety go today. I hate this feeling in my body. Sometimes it just takes over my life. And it does feel weird tapping on my face. But I'm going to go with it anyway. Instead, I just want to let go. I want to feel more relaxed and in control. I don't want to hold on to that number that's in my body. I don't want to hold on to these feelings. But I feel like it's been around for a long time. I'm just going to be open to letting go of some of those feelings today. Being open to feeling more relaxed, more in control. Just breathing out these feelings of anxiety now. I don't want to hold on anymore. I just want to be open to letting go. Instead, I want to feel in a calm space. I just want to be able to do what I want to do with my life without holding on to this anxiety. So I'm going to be open to letting go today. Feels really good to know that I might be able to let go. Even if it's just for this moment. Simply being open to letting go now. All the way back through my past. Feeling lighter and lighter. Feels so good to let go. feeling in a much more calm and relaxed space. Letting go now through every single cell in my body. That's great. So take a nice deep breath now. Breathe out. And I want you simply just to check in with how you're feeling. Maybe close your eyes for a moment. Check in with that number. Should hopefully have gone down. And check in with how you feel. If any other thoughts or feelings came up there, that's fine. That might be something that you might need to tap on as well. It's just some old subconscious stuff coming up. Please do repeat this video and tap as often as you like, maybe first thing in the morning, last thing at night, they're really good times. And make sure you kind of start tapping every day, which is good, at least 10 minutes. And just take care of yourself. Let me know how you got on. And if you do need anything, please do get in touch. Okay, enjoy the rest of your day. Take care.